Hey, what's up, guys? If you're a high ticket affiliate marketer and you're getting stuck with your prospects not taking an action and not pulling the trigger on your offer, stick around. I've got a couple of things that are going to help you out with that. How you doing, everyone? It's Jamie here. I want to say a very warm welcome to you and thanks very much for joining me in today's video. If this is the first time on the channel, my name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If any of that's of interest to yourself, I'd invite you to join me. Feel free to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. Little caveat at this point though, not the most fanciest of channels. You might see a little bit of editing from time to time, but realistically it's just me talking about my 9+ years of affiliate marketing and digital marketing related experience. Hopefully I can cut through some of the BS out there and help a few of you guys out along the way. Right, so what are we talking about? How do you get your prospects to actually pull the trigger and do the thing? Look, this is a common complaint that I hear from a lot of my students, and if you're wanting to learn more about what we're up to, feel free to hit that link below. It's called the Super Affiliate Accelerator. I can give you guys a bit of an overview and a bit of a strategy session to see if that's the right fit for you. Right, so with that out of the way, here's the crazy thing. When you're talking to your prospects and you're trying to go through your diagnostic process and you're getting them your discovery session, and what are you into? What are you wanting to achieve? And great, and what's your monthly goal? What are you looking at? And when do you want to hit that by? All that sort of stuff. And you've got that idea, and they're saying, look, I want to hit 20K per month because I'm a single dad, I've got blah blah blah, and I've tried 3 or 4 separate different things in the past, and none of them really transpired the way I thought, and that's why I want to do that stuff. Here's the crazy thing though, when you're painting someone's dream, the motivation is in the future, but that's not necessarily enough to get them to actually start moving towards it. But what is a more powerful motivator is their current level of discomfort. And so you need to make sure that you're bringing that to the forefront of their mind. And that is what is going to drive them forward. That's what's going to get them to make a decision about moving towards something that's going to get them to their dream. So how exactly do you do that? It all comes back to your questioning. You want to work out what their motivation is for actually achieving their dreams. Why do they want the 20,000? What are they going to get when they're doing that? What does that feel like for them when they're doing that? What's so bad about their current situation that makes them want that? Like why is it so bad? Like, I mean, if they're kind of doing stuff and they're still alive, I mean, that's got to be a good start, right? And so, like I say, if you're asking questions that are related to their emotional state and their discomfort, that brings it to the surface for them. It makes it very real. And when something's very real, it's a very motivating factor. It's like when you touch an element and the element is hot and you burn yourself, you're not going to leave it there. Not going to leave your hand on the element and go, oh, well, I'll see how it feels. Gosh, my dream is to have a non-burnt hand. So, and they're going to move it, right? That's the thing. The element's there, they're going to move their hand. And that's what you want to try and achieve with them. You want to get them to be sitting on the element so much that they move. And if you can do that, of course, you've got a badass solution that's going to help a bunch of people out, and you truly believe in it. It's not something that you don't believe in. You've got to actually believe in the product and believe it can solve their problem specifically. They're going to make a decision. It's going to be a lot easier. Like I say, you really need to delve into the emotional side of it, the reasons why, not just like a surface level, because I don't like working for anyone else. Well, okay, why is that? Well, I feel restricted. Why do you feel restricted? Well, I don't know, because like it's always been my dream to play the ukulele in front of a crowd at Wembley Stadium, and I don't know where that came from, by the way. And so, that's been my dream since I was a child, and I feel like this might be the gateway to help me live that so I have more time. Well, what are you going to do with more time? Well, I'm going to play the ukulele. I haven't even started practicing. Oh, great. Well, what are you going to do when you become a professional ukulelist? Is that a word? I don't know. A ukulelean? Sounds more like a foreign planet, actually. Anyway, point being is that you need to delve in. You need to ask the why questions, because the why questions are going to help them even understand it for themselves as well as you. Like, why are they doing something, and bring that emotional response, that discomfort, that hot element right to the surface, because that is the thing that's going to motivate them to get going. Otherwise, Oh, I've got to think about it. What's there to think about? You're sitting on a hot fire. Like, you go, get out of it, man, quick, hold my hand, I'll take you with me. That's the kind of thing that you need to raise in your presentations with your prospects. And whether that's done on a face-to-face basis or over Zoom or even just via Messenger or whatever, you need to try and bring that to the forefront. And of course, if you've got the solution, that's the main thing, of course, but you can't really get them to do anything if you're focusing on all the dream stuff. So hopefully that helps you guys out. I do suggest that you go through and just ask a few more why questions. Really sit on that for a while. Don't skip over that part as part of your presentations, because you really want to delve into it. You want to, like I say, you want to hone into the very specifics. Why do you want $20,000? Why do you want more time with your kids? What are you going to do? How's it going to feel for you when you get that? Because that in itself is going to make it very apparent what their current level is. And like I say, again, if you've got that awesome thing that's going to help them out on the other side of that, then it's just about marrying those two together. So anyway, hopefully that helps someone out. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Like I say, if you do want a free strategy session or to learn more about the Super Affiliate Accelerator, I'm one of the coaches there. Just click that button below and check it out for yourselves. Anyway, my name's Jamie. I appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next one.